When should you hire a personal injury lawyer? Here are 4 signs you need one. If you're unsure whether you need a lawyer after a crash, making the wrong decision could cost you thousands. Insurance companies aren't looking out for you, they're looking out for their shareholders and their bottom line. In this video, I'm breaking down the 4 biggest signs that it's time for you to hire a personal injury attorney to make sure you get the financial justice you deserve. I'm Lloyd Bourgeois, a Louisiana personal injury attorney, and I help crash victims fight for their rights. So let's get into it. Sign number 1, you suffered serious injuries. If your injuries are significant, handling your case alone can put your health and financial future at risk. Severe injuries like broken bones, spinal damage, herniated disc, head trauma, anything requiring surgery or long-term care is going to mean big medical bills, potentially lost wages, and long-term and future care. Without legal representation, insurance companies will try to downplay your injuries and offer you less than what you actually need to recover. If you need ongoing medical treatment, such as physical therapy, multiple surgeries, or even long-term care facilities, you need a lawyer who knows how to calculate future expenses and fight for full compensation. Beyond medical costs, your case includes pain and suffering damages, emotional distress, PTSD. These don't come with a receipt, so insurance companies may try to ignore them. An experienced attorney makes sure your non-economic damages are factored into your result. Sign number 2, if liability is unclear or disputed. If there's any question about who's at fault, you need legal help to protect your rights. If multiple parties are involved, like a multi-core crash, commercial vehicle collision, or slip and fall out of business, those things get complicated fast. Who's responsible? Which insurance company pays? What law applies? A lawyer helps sort out liability and ensures you are not unfairly blamed. Insurance companies love to shift the blame. If an adjuster is trying to say you're partially at fault, it's not by accident. It's a tactic to lower what you ultimately receive. In Louisiana, comparative negligence means that if they can pin even part of the blame on you, they can reduce your settlement. And if there's conflicting evidence, like a police report that doesn't match witness statements, you're going to need someone to gather the facts and sort it all out to help you build the best case possible. Sign 3, the insurance companies offered you a low settlement. If the insurance company is already rushed to offer you money, it's probably because they know your case has the potential to be worth a lot more. These adjusters are trained to settle cases for as little as possible. They'll hope you take a quick check before realizing how much medical treatment, lost wages, and long-term recovery will actually cost you. Because once you accept, you can't go back for more, even if your bills keep piling up and your pain keeps compounding. Here's another red flag. Delays and denials. If the insurance company is slow to respond or just outright denies your claim, they're betting you'll get frustrated and give up. A personal injury lawyer will push back and make sure they play fair. Insurance companies may also pressure you to settle fast. They know that in the days after a crash, you don't know the full extent of your injuries yet, but you're in financial need. They'll often say things like, "This is the best offer you'll get," but that's almost never true. An experienced attorney knows how to negotiate for the full amount you deserve. And sign number 4, you need help negotiating or going to trial. Negotiating with an insurance company is tough. They've been through this thousands of times. They have tons of data. They know exactly where they're coming from. They're negotiating from a position of strength, and you're probably negotiating with them for the first time. And going to court is even tougher. So here's why having legal help makes all the difference. Insurance companies often have entire teams of lawyers working to minimize what they pay you. If you don't have legal representation, you're at a serious disadvantage. Negotiating a fair settlement requires knowing how insurance companies operate. An experienced personal injury attorney understands their tactics and can fight back against their lowball offers and delay strategies, and can build a case to prove to the insurance company and their attorneys the true value and damages you have sustained. And if the insurance company refuses to play fair, a good lawyer will take them to court. While most cases settle before trial, having an attorney who's ready to litigate puts the pressure on the insurance company to make a serious offer. Here's some final thoughts. Dealing with an injury and a crash is hard enough. You shouldn't have to fight for your financial justice alone. If any of these signs sound familiar to you, don't wait. Talk to an experienced personal injury attorney who can protect your rights and maximize your settlement. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you need legal help after a crash, reach out to my team today for a free consultation. We're ready to fight for you and help you receive the financial justice you deserve.